We have now on the market a big number of materials available for this technique. Most importantly, keep in mind that we need chemical polymerization materials, okay, for this type of application. The resins used, for example, for temporary crowns and bridges are the best materials for this, and bisacryl materials are better than the traditional acrylic resins. Look here. Okay, traditional materials and bisacrylic materials. Not new generation, but more than these ones. Okay, bisacryl is better than acrylic resins because they provide controlled polymerization time, low heat release during the setting time, and they have low shrinkage. And Vita Shade guide as well. It's very interesting for us because we will make the final restorations with ceramics or even with light curing resins. They use Vita Shades. The advantage of bisacryl materials is that they are very close to restorative composites, so much easier to be controlled during the setting time and during the stages of finishing and polishing. Okay, let's see here. You can see some brands of these bisacryl materials, and now we can see the step-by-step of mock-up technique. Okay, it's very important to emphasize to your patient that mock-up is a simulation. Okay, it's a simulation. So let's see here. First step, impression. We need to make an impression of our patient mouth. There we need to make the corrections. In the step 2, we need to send the plaster model to the lab, so that with the plaster model in their hands, the technicians can make the diagnostic laboratory waxing. After that, we did back to our office, our practice. We need to make an impression of this waxed up model. With this impression, we will use this impression as an index to inject the bisacryl material. Applying the bisacryl material, we need to put in position with very dried surface of the dental structure, and we don't use adhesives in this technique. Okay, we only need to link teeth by teeth, and applying the mouth in the patient's mouth. In the final part of the setting time, we need to remove the excess material and begin the finishing steps.